Hi there, Tammy Beard from Stampin' Savvy. Thanks so much for joining me. Today I've got a quick video on how to do mirror stamping. You are going to love it. It is so easy to do and the possibilities will just get you excited. So let's get started. You only need a few things. So we're going to be using the Free as a Bird stamp set today. We're going to be using this bird right here. You're going to need the silicone craft mat. You are going to want this clean. So if you've been using it for coloring or adhesives and stuff like that, give that a good clean with either soap and water, or you can take rubbing alcohol and a cloth and get it nice and clean. You're also going to want a very juicy classic Stampin' pad. Okay, now if you're watching this and you've got classic Stampin' pads, but you have not gotten the ink refills for them yet, I highly encourage you to put them on your next order. They're only a few dollars, and they are great to protect the investment that you've made in the Stampin' pads, not only to keep them juicy, but to be able to use them for many, many, many years. So there's your PSA for today. Okay, you're also going to want a piece of Whisper White cardstock. Okay, now this was kind of the inspiration behind doing this. I wanted to make a wedding card, and I really liked this cute little bird right here, and I had the idea of two lovebirds facing each other. And so this one on the left was stamped normally, and then this little guy right here was mirror stamped. That's what I'm going to show you how to do today. Okay, so let's do that. I've got Early Espresso is what I'm going to be using for my ink pad. And what we're going to do is you're going to want to go ahead and ink this up really good. You want it nice and juicy, because essentially what you are doing is second generation stamping. Okay, so we're just going to give that really good. Okay, then you're going to come in and you're going to place your Whisper White cardstock on top, and you're going to want to hold this in place and then just lightly rub over it. Okay. Voila. It is as simple as that. Is that not too cool? Okay, this you would just take and run underwater, comes right off, you're good to go. Now, in the case of like this application here with this card, where I had two images that were right next to each other, I'll give you a tip. And that is, for your second image, go ahead and stamp off once, and then come in and do your stamping. And that way they're going to look the same. Now, sometimes I did this on another card, and I actually didn't rub far enough out. I missed a spot. If that happens to you, here's my tip. Bring in your Stampin' Right marker in the color matched to your ink pad, and then you can come in and then you can just finish up whatever it is that got maybe missed, and you're good to go. You haven't ruined your project. It'll take you just a couple of minutes or a couple of seconds, and literally you've saved it. You're good to go. Now you can color this and put it on this card just like this. I will put the link in the YouTube description for the blog post that will have all of the details for this gorgeous card. It actually is super, super quick and simple. And hopefully you will get excited about making one of your own. If this was helpful for you, I'd love a thumbs up. I also love to hear from you. Please leave me comments. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You'll get notice of videos, as well as you can subscribe to my newsletter, which will be in the YouTube description as well as on stampinsavvy.com. If you're interested in Stampin' Up supplies to make today's card, I would love to be your demonstrator. You can shop online in my store at stampinsavvy.com/shop. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope you have lots of fun. Think about the possibilities, look at your stamp sets, and just have fun with this. Till next time, bye-bye.